Guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually use auto-tune if you're a beginner, and I'm going to give you pro tips on using auto-tunes. All right, if you knew what to do, like the video, subscribe, let me know where you are watching me from. Let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in Cubase 5 now, and you can actually apply this using any DAW. Alright, all you need to do is to follow what I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so super simple. We're gonna use this particular project. Let me change the color for this. All right, change this one to this, then change this one to this. All right, we're gonna leave this section alone, as you can see. Then I'm gonna mute this one. All right, so guys, on this particular project I recorded everything and created a good track. All right, if you want to know much about how I made this particular project, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen. Today we're going to consider auto-tune alone. So first thing first, I want you to listen to this section without any auto-tune, and we're going to proceed from there.
No more fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. Tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Starboy, whiskey, no the tire. I'm proud of you for you today, tomorrow, baby, we die.
It's super simple. So guys, when you go to the group track, you only have the compressor, the EQ, the Maserati. If you want to know much about this, go and watch the video that will pop up on the screen right after watching this. All right, so now it's time for you to add auto-tune. And guys, I mostly add auto-tune on the track that I recorded. All right, so let's select this particular section, and we're gonna mute this particular vocals over here. Let me change the colors, the backing vocals. All right, let's change this one too. All right guys, so it's time for me to introduce our auto-tune. So we're gonna use auto-tune 8.1. all right, so anytime you are using auto-tune, you need to pay attention to this thing that I'm going to tell you. The very first one is to set your key properly. All right, if you don't know how to detect unknown beat key, all right, I have a full video taking you through step by step. You can watch the video that will pop up on the screen, or go back to my channel and watch that. So the key for this particular song is A minor, and I'm going to change the scale to minor. All right, the next knob that you need to pay attention to is the routine speed. The routine speed is how much you want to pitch your auto-tune. I mean, how much you want to feel that T-pain effect on your vocal. The more you crank it up, the more auto-tune or the T-pain effect you're gonna achieve. All right, listen to it with the routine speed all the way up.
For fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. Tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Starboy, whiskey, no the tire. I'm proud of you for you today, tomorrow, baby, without you, nobody day. I'm proud of you for you today, tomorrow, baby, without you, nobody day.
All right, so the next knob that you need to pay attention to anytime you are using the auto-tune is the Humanize knob. All right, sometimes when we auto-tune our vocals, we sound like robots, and we don't want to sound like robots. We want to add realism to our vocals. So always add a little bit Humanize to your auto-tune, and you're gonna add realism to your vocals. So listen to this.
For fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. Tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Starboy, whiskey, no the tire.
I don't know whether you can hear the difference. Listen, use good headset and monitors to hear the difference. With the Humanize knob all the way up, you can actually hear that the vocals are no more shaking. They sound a little bit clean.
More fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. Tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Starboy, whiskey, no the tire. I'm no more fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. Tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Starboy, whiskey, no the tire.
All right, it's super simple, and guys, you can actually add natural vibrator if you want that, but I'm not gonna add it And some of the auto tunes comes with what is called the flex tune or the correction style. The more you push it up, the more you're gonna smoothen your vocals. All right, so listen.
No more fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. One more tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire.
As you can see, when we push this thing all the way up, the auto tune is not working properly or not pitching our vocals too much. So always give it a little bit so that you will not get that shaking vocals. All right.
No more fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. One more tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Starboy, whiskey, no the tire. I'm proud of you for you today. Tomorrow, baby, without you, nobody there.
It's super simple, guys. Now the next thing you need to pay attention to is the input type. Always click here. If it's a female, go for soprano. If it's a male, you can choose auto, stroke, tenor, or low male. I'll choose low male for this. All right.
No more fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. One more tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire.
All right, and guys, what you can also do is to turn on this low latency so that you're gonna actually control your CPU. You're gonna get more CPU to process what you are doing.
No more fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. One more tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Starboy, whiskey, no the die.
Alright, so guys, right after this, I'm gonna show you a trick. If you wanna sound natural, just give it routine speed to about 20 or 30 routine speed. Alright, if you wanna sound natural like this.
No more fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. One more tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Starboy, whiskey, no the tire.
Or you can give it routine speed of 20 if you wanna sound natural. This is how the legends vocals are being auto-tuned.
No more fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. One more tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Starboy, whiskey, no the tire. I'm proud of you for you today. Tomorrow, baby, without you, nobody there. I'm proud of you for you today. Tomorrow, baby, without you, nobody there.
Alright guys, so without the auto-tune, let's listen. This is without the auto-tune.
No more fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. One more tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Starboy, whiskey, no the tire. I'm proud of you for you.
And with the auto-tune.
No more fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. One more tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Starboy, whiskey, no the tire.
It's super simple, and for me, I'll put this pitch amount all the way up.
No more fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. One more tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Starboy, whiskey, no the tire. I'm proud of you for you today. Tomorrow, baby, without you, nobody there.
But for these vocals, I'm gonna give it pitch. I'm gonna put the pitch amount to about 44. Super simple. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you.
No more fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. One more tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Starboy, whiskey, no the tire. I'm proud of you for you today. Tomorrow, baby, without you, nobody there. I'm proud of you for you today. Tomorrow, baby, without you, nobody there.
And guys, once you are done with this setting for this particular artist, all you need to do is to save as preset so that anytime the artist comes, you will just insert the auto tune and just set the key, and you're gonna achieve that particular artist style of auto tuning. Is super simple. It's gonna speed up your production. So I'm gonna call this Lewinsky. All right, you name it and you hit OK. So now when you come here and we introduce the auto tune, all you need to do is to let's go for the right auto tune. So we're gonna change this to auto tune 8.1, then choose the preset. All right, all you need to do is to click here and you can see it has set it automatically for you. Then do the same thing here, change the auto tune to auto tune 8.1, then choose the preset, and guys, that's simple. All right, and this is going to speed your production. So we're going to combine this and that.
No more fighting, I'm gonna fight for you. One more tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Star boy, whiskey, no they die, yeah. I'm proud of you for you today, tomorrow, baby, without you, nobody day, yeah. I'm proud of you for you today, tomorrow, baby, without you, nobody day.
Now that you know how to use Auto-Tune, then watch the next video to download Auto-Tune Pro if you wanna try it for the very first time. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.